You've probably guessed that you can find all your information and entertainment on your Enyaq IV's infotainment display, but there's so much more. And to keep it simple, it works like many other touchscreen devices, like your phone. When you first start, you'll need to select either private or online mode, which will take you to the main screen. To rearrange the display, simply press, hold and drag any icon to where you want it. You can also customise the home menu by tapping home, then the plus symbol in an available spot. Simply scroll through the widgets, choose the one you want and tap to add it. To see your favourites, drag down the top of the main screen. You can personalise these by dragging and dropping any icon over the one you want to replace. And to change the favourites you use the most, press and hold the Favourites button and drag a replacement widget to the bottom of the screen. Your top 3 will appear in the bottom bar on the main display. Now that's infotainment and another Skoda skill to take away with you.